Wondering what to pack for your first year at Knox? Here are some tips. School supplies. Sunglasses. Bring hooks to decorate your room with and make it handy. Bring a few dishes for food and snacks. Laundry detergent and quarters. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated. And of course, don't forget winter clothes. Make sure to bring sheets, blankets, and pillows. Bring some extra lights for your room, maybe a desk lamp. Make sure to bring a desk fan. Bring hangers, and 10 more than you think you'll need. Make sure to bring 1 or 2 sentimental items from home, but don't bring too much. There's new memories to be made here. Now you're all packed and ready to come to Knox.